In this video I will show you how to get dislikes on YouTube back. As you can see, for example, on this YouTube video, dislikes are hidden. This is new feature from YouTube. However, I will show you a way that you can still see dislikes from YouTube videos. For that you need to have Google Chrome, so make sure you are on your PC. Go to the Chrome Web Store. And then in the search box you want to type in YouTube dislikes or something like that. Here you have return YouTube dislikes. Add this to Chrome as extension. There we go, now it's successfully added. Go back to YouTube, this is just an example video. Refresh the page. As you can see now, it shows the dislikes. So this works for any video on YouTube. I will open another video. As you can see, it works.